Hey y'all, hope everyone's doing well. So I'm gonna head to the scrapyard. I thought I'd just give you a quick look at some of the metal that I'm gonna take. As you can see, my bins are overflowing with stuff. Got a lot of microwaves and I love to stuff them full of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get loaded up and I'll bring you guys back. All right, getting off to a good start. Every one of these is filled with other metals, so it's really heavy. A little bit here, then I got this drum, getting it filled up with a bunch of small stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to give you all a quick update. I'll get back to you in a minute. All right, y'all. Just about got it. Just gonna throw that stuff on there in a wheelbarrow, and then strap it all down, and we will be good to go to the scrapyard. Well, there is the load, all tied down and ready to go. Yep. Let's see what kind of a squat we got. Yep. That is a proper squat. Even look at those tires. What are y'all's guesses? I'm going to say 1,800 pounds. All right, y'all, I just got back. Let's have a little quick look at the shop. It is an absolute disaster. Oh my, so much stuff. I need to get to work. RAM, aka money sticks. But yeah, it's just some of the stuff that I've got to deal with here. Some boards I gotta process, a couple motors, just some other random stuff. Got that trash compactor I need to scrap. We got a vacuum sealer. That is a I believe it's an 82 or an 85 microwave. Anyways, at least my bench is clean. We got the troll there from Adam, hiding under his bridge. But yeah, let's have a look at the ticket. So here we are. And you can see I had 1,680 pounds. Woohoo! And at $60 a ton, I made $50.40. Yep, some of you are probably thinking, boy, those prices are awful. And you'd be right. But 50 bucks is 50 bucks. And I will take that all day long. All right, y'all. I appreciate you watching this video. Make sure you tune in next Saturday, because I'm going to be tackling armatures. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. God bless y'all, and you have yourself a great day.